Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering off the controller and console to prevent shorting. Once done, flip the controller and remove the battery cover. You'll see either two AA cells or a rechargeable pack. Make sure you note the battery orientation and type because that determines the replacement parts. If the cover is snug, use a small flat tool gently, don't pry hard. This first action saves time and avoids damage while setting you up for the swap. Now remove old cells or unplug the rechargeable pack and inspect the contacts. You must align polarity precisely. Incorrect placement prevents power and can damage electronics. If using AA cells, insert two fresh, high-quality batteries. For a rechargeable pack, press the connector into place until it seats fully. While the cover is off, wipe contacts with a cotton swab and isopropyl if you see debris or corrosion. After the new batteries are seated, replace the cover and press the edges until it snaps shut. A loose cover can interrupt contacts. Power on the controller and resync with the console to verify buttons, sticks, and rumble work. If it won't power, make sure polarity was correct and try another fresh set. Also inspect and clean metal contacts with isopropyl and a soft brush. This common fix often restores connectivity. Dispose of old batteries responsibly or recycle the rechargeable pack as required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.